So let's just say, guys, it's about to get real for SoFi stock. Earnings are coming up this Monday, and, well, we have to break down the charts, how we're looking right now, and what I'm looking to do heading into earnings. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on, guys. We're almost at 50,000 subs, and get your stocks from Moo. 30 stocks to be exact by using that link down below. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, again, use that link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers, let's get into it. So check it out here, guys. It is about 1:20 p.m. on the East Coast, and SoFi stock is moving. Like I said, earnings are coming up this Monday, which means today, Thursday, and tomorrow, Friday, are the last 2 trading days before earnings. And, well, things are getting interesting, guys. The stock is getting hot again. I mean, it's been hot for a couple of days. It keeps on going up here, guys. We're up another 2.5%. And now we're breaking back over $18 per share. So clearly, hype is building up. It has been building up, right? Now it keeps on building up. Like I said, today and tomorrow, the last 2 days of trading. So it looks like, by the way things are shaping up here, guys, SoFi is going to be at a fresh multi-year high when the company reports earnings, right? Which we'll see how that plays out. I mean, I'm not a big earnings trader, so I'm not going to try and time calls or puts or try and sell out and buy back in or do anything crazy like that. So I'm just pretty much sitting on my hands at this point. But it could be interesting with SoFi being, at a multi-year high heading into earnings, right? For this thing to go a lot higher, man, earnings are going to have to come in hot. And they might just do that, guys. Guidance, I have a feeling, might come in hot. We'll see. But as of now, on the 5-day, this is what we're getting. We're up another almost 3%. We're cracking over $18, guys. We're gearing up to now take out the highs from yesterday pre-market. It looks like here we already took out the intraday high yesterday. But in the pre-market yesterday, we hit 1830. That's where it looks like we're going. We're about 20 cents away at the time I'm making this video. And the intraday price, or the intraday high yesterday, seems like it was at about 1805. So we're actually cracking out of that right now. So, guys, SoFi, man, looks like it's starting to break out again, continuing the uptrend, continuing the breakout, heading into earnings. And you guys can see right here on this 30-minute chart, we consolidated a bit yesterday in the aftermarket, today in the pre-market at about $17.25, $17.50, which on this time frame, guys, is right at the 180 moving average. On this 30-minute chart, we held it, buyers came in, and boom, we are now rocketing off that point, which is huge, right? And on this 1-hour chart, if I pull this up, you guys can see we're breaking back over the 50 moving average. It looks great. It looks like we're about to test, maybe break out again of that 1830 high. That's what all of these time frames, that's what all of them are pointing to, right? And on this 4-hour chart, actually, wait, let me pull up this 20-day again. Let me clear the drawing set. I mean, you guys can see, I think I drew this channel out yesterday. Did I? Did I not? I forget, but I'll draw it out again. We are clearly in this channel, are we not? I mean, you guys can see pretty clear as freaking day, right? We're in this channel. We held the bottom of it. Now we're bouncing. If we take out 1830, man, this could be going to 19, 20 bucks fairly quickly. But of course, with earnings on Monday morning, anything could happen, guys. So we have to keep that in mind. If earnings are a grand slam, though, I'm telling you, if they crush guidance, don't be shocked if this goes up more. Do not be shocked. I think it's possible. And even if they aren't as great, the earnings as expected, all right, maybe the stock comes down $14, $15 range, $16 range. All right, that I can live with, obviously, as well, right? Considering the crazy performance we've seen over the last couple of months, I'd be fine with that. If it did sell off a bit, $14, $15, $16, I'd be cool with that. But as of now, we are above 18. We're up 2.5%, guys. Looking really good here on the charts. And, man, it looks like the uptrend, like I said, is continuing on this 1 hour time frame. Pretty clear as day. So what do you guys think about SoFi? Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said earlier in the video, guys, I'm not a big earnings trader, so I'm not, there's no strategy I'm doing right now around earnings. I'm just holding on to my shares that I own at $6.80 across 2 accounts. That's my average cost on SoFi stock. So I have a lot of, green built in, baked in, whatever you want to call it. So even if this thing were to collapse after earnings, I'm still going to be up over 100%, right? That's the reality, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are in the same boat as well. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. And before we break down these indexes quickly, maybe some other stocks here, make sure to join the email list. It's free, and I send out my top stocks every single week right to your email, guys. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box and the link that's pinned in the comment section. Make sure you guys get in there, linked right down below. And again, it's free. You can't beat it, guys. So as of now, about 1:30 p.m. East Coast time, we do have a lot of green out there, but we do have some red as well. It's not like a crazy booming green day like it has been, right? We actually have QQQ slightly down. That's the only index that's down. Other than that, the S&P's up 0.25%. Russell's up a little more than 0.25%. And the Dow is leading the green up 0.8%. And the VIX actually is down as well. Volatility's coming down about 3%. VIX is at 1470 as of right now. So, yeah, I mean, it's a decent green day out there. But we do have a lot of the stocks that crushed it yesterday, giving back some gains today. It looks like ARM Holdings is down 8%, which clearly it was a bit overbought yesterday, right? We were up, I think, 15% on the day. So that's cooling off a bit. Totally normal. I would not be surprised, honestly, if this dip got bought up on ARM Holdings or in ARM Holdings, whether it's at 155, 160. I think buyers could come in there. So ARM Holdings is down. CrowdStrike is down. I'm pretty sure that crushed yesterday. Micron and Intel, those are down. Shopify's down. Adobe's down again. What else is new? Amazon's down. Tesla, Microsoft, Nvidia. So a lot of these stocks crushed it yesterday, but today they're taking a bit of a beating, but it's all good because the Dow stocks are crushing it. OKLO keeps on going, man, up another 15%. We covered this, I'm pretty sure, in my earlier video, my SoundHound update. Make sure you guys go check that out after this video. But yeah, it's a pretty good day across the board, guys, for stocks. Solid day, and yeah, man, looks like 2025, we're starting off the year pretty strong, right? We sold off a bit earlier in this month and to wrap up 2024, but now we've rebounded. SPY looks like it's about to go all-time highs. Same with QQQ here, guys. So we're looking pretty good. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on the main channel and my second channel, which is linked right down below. We're almost at 1,000 subs on that second channel, guys. Linked down below. Make sure you all go subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, check out the link right down below, or simply go to stasurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.